Hi guys, my name is Harsh Goyla and I'm an investor, trainer and mentor in stock markets. Now guys, today I have a very interesting topic for you. Today I'm going to share that particular mistake that every person makes, 99% of the people make from 30 to 40, from the age of 30 to the age of 40 and also above. So if you're from the age of 30 to 40 or above, then please be sure to watch this video, and if you're making this mistake, please be sure to get it corrected. And if you're below the age of 30, my friend, thank your stars that you're watching this video, because this video will tell you what you should not do and what are the mistakes one should not make, right? So they are very basic and very crucial mistakes one should never make while managing their money. Now I get a lot of mails, ठीक है, आप लोग मुझे free guidance में mail कर रहे हैं, then a lot of students are getting back to me. Now what happens is that people generally, they send me their portfolio that sir, these are my assets, these are my investments, ये मेरी liabilities हैं, मैं अब इसको कैसे switch करूँ, कैसे how to make it profitable, right? So this is one case study of one student I want to share with you. I asked that student for permission, so yes, he was comfortable for me to share this with you, but he was not comfortable for me to disclose his name, and I totally respect that, right? So first, I'm very thankful to him, and with this, I'm going to share his particular case study with all of you. Ab case study hai ye. Now, as you can see here, there are two columns, assets and liabilities, and again, I have really simplified it so that मेरा ऑब्जेक्टिव ये नहीं टू टीच यू द टेक्निकल्स ऑफ अकाउंटिंग. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट यू टू नो अबाउट हाउ टू मैनेज मनी, जो मैं आपको भी बताने वाला हूँ. इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. ठीक है, तो एज यू कैन सी हियर, सबसे पहले एसेट्स में ही हैज़ इन बैंक ऐसे मतलब सेविंग्स अकाउंट. सो इन बैंक सेविंग्स अकाउंट ही हैज़ 1 लाख. इन बैंक फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट FD ही हैज़ 3 लाख. इन स्टॉक मार्केट / म्यूचुअल फंड्स, तो उनके पास काफ़ी रैंडम शेयर्स हैं और ELSs और म्यूचुअल फंड्स वगैरह हैं. सो ही हैज़ अराउंड 2,50,000. नाउ ऑन हिज लाइबिलिटी साइड, हिज ओवर ड्यू पेमेंट ऑन क्रेडिट कार्ड इज ऑफ 60,000 एंड ही हैड टेकन अ कार ऑन विच ऑफ 2 lakhs ऑन विच ही हैड टू पे 10%. ठीक है, सो नाउ जस्ट सी द इंटरेस्ट रेट्स. ऑन बैंक सेविंग्स अकाउंट ही इज गेटिंग इंटरेस्ट रेट ऑफ 4%. Right? Let me just mark it for you, 4%. On bank FD, he's getting an interest rate of 6%. In stock markets, mutual funds, I'm taking an average of 15% because ये longer run के लिए है. In credit card, he has to pay an interest of 25%. Whereas for a car loan, he has to pay an interest on a 10% basis. Again, ये सब कुछ it's on an annual basis. Monthly नहीं है, it's on an annual basis. Now, what I want you to do, I want you to think, what would you suggest him? Should he carry on with this if it's perfectly fine? Should he increase his investments? Should he decrease his liabilities? What would you do if that person came to you with this problem that sir, this is my portfolio? What would you advise him? Pause this video, give yourself a minute, pause this video and think about it. उसके बाद I'm going to discuss it. तो जो आप पे effect आएगा वो double आएगा. And when you actually solve it, no, and if you see no problem whatever with it, तब इल शो आपका मेंटालिटी किस तरफ है. सो आई एम वेटिंग फॉर यू. पॉज दिस वीडियो एंड देन यू योरसेल्फ ऑन अ पेपर सी एंड जज व्हाट वुड यू रेकमेंड हिम. पॉज दिस वीडियो फॉर 1 minute राइट नाउ. हो गया? आई एम अज्यूमिंग आप सब ने इसको देखा होगा. नाउ व्हाट वुड यू एडवाइज हिम? इफ यू सी मेजॉरिटी ऑफ यू शो टू अदर पीपल, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ देम विल से ठीक तो है, ठीक है, हो जाएगा. But what makes sense here? Guys, see, understand. Today, the main problem what people make is that they don't understand the power of compounding of interest. The power of compounding of interest. अब आप इस situation में देखते हैं दोबारा, right? इस situation में, let me take the blue marker here. In bank savings account, he is getting a return of 4%. Whereas in credit card, he is paying 25%. So is compounding working for him or against him? He is getting 4% and he is paying 25%. Compounding is working against him. ये याद रखना लाइफ में. Compounding either will make you or break you. Compounding either you will pay or either you will get. सो मेक श्योर आप कंपाउंडिंग हमेशा ले रहे हो. इफ यू आर गिविंग कंपाउंडिंग, दैट इज द सिचुएशन विच इज बैड. इसलिए आई रिकमेंडेड हिम टेक दिस 1 लाख रुपीज एंड क्लियर दिस अमाउंट. क्लियरली टेक दिस डिपॉजिट एंड क्लियर ऑफ दिस लाइबिलिटी. तो आपके पास यहां बचेगा कितना? 40,000. Right? Why did I do this? Because on credit card he's paying 25%, whereas in bank he's only getting 4%. Now let's take another situation. Now let's take bank FD. Right? Now if you see the car loan, on car loan he's paying an interest of 10%. On bank FD he's earning an interest of 6%. On car loan he's paying an interest rate of 10%, whereas on bank FD he's getting only 6%. करना क्या चाहिए? Take this amount and clear this out. Take this amount and clear that out. अपना बैंक एफडी से कार लोन को साफ करो. So your this bank savings account will be left to 40,000. This will be left to 1 lakh. This is what you should do. Because आप खुद समझो, the power of compounding of interest, either it works for you or against you. बताओ होता क्या है? A lot of people tell me, sir, on what do you judge people on? ठीक है, आप कैसे लोगों को जज करते हो? ठीक है, what is the first thing you look to judge a person? So आपको ऑनेस्टली बताऊं, for me your religion, हिंदू, क्रिश्चियन, सिख, मुस्लिम, मुझे बिल्कुल भी फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है. Your gender, मेल, फीमेल, ट्रांसजेंडर, मुझे बिल्कुल भी फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है. मुझे फ़र्क पड़ता है if you are using the power of compounding of interest for you or against you. मैं लोगों को ऐसे जज करता हूँ. And I would advise you, you should do the same. अब आप खुद इस सिचुएशन में देखो. He was paying more interest on things that he already have. He is paying more interest on money that he already has. So does it make sense? खुद सोचो. अब I know there would be a lot of questions कि Harsh, how is this? Let me show it to you in another example. ठीक है, अब इसको मैं आपको और elaborate करके explain करता हूँ. Now let's take this case study. दोबारा ये लेते हैं. ठीक है. Now let's calculate the absolute returns. ठीक. I want to calculate the absolute returns. तो ये मैंने यहाँ पे let me take the calculator. Right. Now in this situation, right, in a bank you're getting 4%. Right, savings account. So आपको साल के एंड में कितना मिल जाएगा बैंक से? So simply 1 lakh into 4%, which is 4,000. On this amount you will get a return of 4,000. ठीक है, मैं सिर्फ रिटर्न्स की बात कर रहा हूँ, एब्सोल्यूट रिटर्न्स की बात कर रहा हूँ. अगेन आई एम रियली सिंप्लीफाइंग दिस फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू, सो बिकॉज आई वांट यू टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. ठीक है. नाउ इन एफडी, तो एफडी में क्या करूंगा मैं? 3 लाख का 6% निकालूंगा. आई विल टेक द इंटरेस्ट अमाउंट ऑफ 3 lakhs, विच विल कम आउट टू बी, आई हैव कैलकुलेटेड एवरीथिंग फॉर beforehand itself, is 18,000. Now 15% of 2.5 lakhs, how much will that be? That will be 37,500. ठीक है, I hope you guys are with me. Now let's calculate the liability interest of the liabilities. ठीक. Now for credit card, if I take 25% of 60,000, it will be 15,000. ठीक है. Now 10% of 2 lakhs will be 20,000. Now आपको सब समझ आ गया. तो मैंने बेसिकली बस इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट किया उनका. अब इस सिचुएशन में सिंपल ये करते हैं, लेट्स ऐड देम अप. ठीक है. सो मेरा यहाँ पे मैं इसको लेट मी ड्रॉ न्यू पेज. राइट. तो दिस इज माई राइट वेयर इंटरेस्ट वेयर आई गेट. ठीक है. यहाँ पे यू आर गिविंग. मैं बहुत सिंप्लीफाई कर रहा हूँ इसको आपके लिए. ठीक. नाउ गेट में क्या हो रहा है? बैंक सेविंग्स अकाउंट से यू गेटिंग 4,000. ठीक है. बैंक एफडी से यू गेटिंग 18,000. बैंक फिर देन स्टॉक मार्केट, म्यूचुअल फंड्स एंड जो भी आपके इन्वेस्टमेंट्स हैं उससे यू आर गेटिंग 37,500. ठीक है. नाउ सेम सिचुएशन, व्हाट आर यू गिविंग? फॉर द क्रेडिट कार्ड यू आर गिविंग 15,000 एंड फॉर कार लोन यू आर गिविंग 20,000. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया गाइस, अगेन डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज. आप देखो मैंने जो यहाँ पे इंटरेस्ट रेट कैलकुलेट किया था 4,000, 18,000, 37,500, 15,000, 20,000, उसी को मैं यूज़ कर रहा हूँ कैलकुलेट करने. दैट्स इट. अब अगर मैं इसको पूरा ऐड कर लेता हूँ, ठीक है, लेट मी ऐड अप द एंटायर सिचुएशन। अब इसमें क्या होगा, इसका ऐड हो जाएगा 59,500 केस वन, ठीक है, लेट्स टेक दिस इज द केस वन। एंड आप कितना गिव कर रहे हो, कितना पावर ऑफ कंपाउंडिंग ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज वर्किंग अगेंस्ट यू इज ऑफ 35,000। See, so 59,000 you are getting, whereas 35,000 you are giving. So what is that you have in your pocket remaining? That will be 59,500 minus 35,000, which, let me just calculate in front of you, minus 35,000 will be 24,500. Is everyone catching up with me? ठीक है, तो in case one, जहाँ पे if I recommend this person to continue this way itself, if I recommend this gentleman to continue his portfolio in this way itself, तो आप देखोगे, आप बोलोगे हर्ष, ultimately the power of compounding of interest is working for him because he's earning more, no? So interest he's getting is much more than what he's giving, right? Ulta, there's a difference of 24,500 on an annual basis, ठीक है? Confuse हो रहे हो, दोबारा देखो, trust me. If you are thinking that you are too young to understand this, that will be your biggest mistake. जो मैं आपको भी सिखा रहा हूँ, I wish and I hope and pray that people are taught about this in 10th grade, in 9th grade. Everyone should know about this. ठीक है? So if you're getting confused, don't need to worry. नीचे कमेंट करो कुछ confuse हो रहा है तो, और वीडियो दोबारा देखो. But be sure this is clear. ठीक? This is case one. Now, what I recommended that gentleman, what I recommended him, that you take your savings account money and clear your credit card amount. ठीक है, you clear your credit card amount. So this gets cleared, right? And what is he left with? 40,000. On the other situation, and again, why did I keep 40,000 in his bank? Because of course in your savings account आपको extra balance चाहिए होगा. So I am assuming that 40,000 would be enough. ठीक. Now in the other situation, I recommended that person that take this 3 lakhs and clear your car loan first. So he will get this cleared. So what is the amount remaining with him? 1 lakh. Now if you see, अगर मैं इसी situation को थोड़ा और clearly लिखूं, his new assets will be, he will have 40,000 in savings account, and in fixed deposit he will have a sum of 1 lakh. सही है? अब let's take the same situation for him. ठीक, अब मैं क्या करता हूं, दोबारा मैं वही टेबल बनाऊंगा. What you are getting, what you are giving, ठीक है, and again this is case study number 2. If the person follows what I am recommending him, ठीक है, आपके सामने I want to break down everything logically and so that even you can calculate. ठीक है, now I'll again see the same process. 4% on 40,000. How much is this amount to be? So I'll calculate 40,000 into 4%, which is amount of 1,600. Again, I'm only calculating the absolute interest. That's it. बहुत simple तरीके से, मैं कुछ भी complicate नहीं कर रहा हूँ. ठीक. Now in bank, he is getting on 1 lakh, he is getting 6%. तो ये तो काफी straightforward है. So this will be 6,000, right? And 15% on 2,50,000 would be how much? It would be again the same 37,500. तो 1,600, 6,000, 37,500. ठीक है. अब सिंपली मैं गेट में मुझे बैंक से कितना इंटरेस्ट मिल रहा है, बैंक सेविंग्स अकाउंट 1,600, ठीक है, एफडी से कितना मिल रहा है 6,000, देन हाउ मच एम आई गेटिंग फॉर फ्रॉम इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, स्टॉक, म्यूचुअल फंड्स, एवरीथिंग इज 37,500. व्हाट इज हिज लाइबिलिटीज? लाइबिलिटीज कुछ है नहीं. व्हाई? क्रेडिट कार्ड लोन फिनिश्ड, कार लोन finished, he's only getting interest. Now let me calculate how much interest is he getting, right? So simply 1,600 plus 6,000 plus 37,500, he is getting an interest rate of 45,100. 45,100 and what is he giving? He is giving nothing. इंदर ये केस 2 है. अब मैं केस 1 में जाता हूं. केस 1 में where he continues with this, he is only getting 24,500. In the case I suggested, he is getting 45,100. So आप खुद देखो, I'll write it down again for you. In case 1, the power of compounding of interest that's working for him is of 24,500. And in case 2, जो मैंने suggest किया था, he is getting, let me just check again, 45,100. What is better? Now I'll explain even simpler. Okay, so let's see what is the difference, how much more will he earn every year. So if he continues to do this, so 41,100 minus 24,500, which is equal to, so he is in a profit, my friend, of 20,600 on a annual basis. हर साल. इसको बोलते हैं मनी मैनेजमेंट. इतना आसान है पैसे को संभालना. Genuinely I'm telling you, it's so easy. I'll take this one step forward. What if you take this 20,600 and invest it into stock markets? अब calculation कर ही रहे हैं ना, तो let me show you the calculation of that also. So simply, I am going to take this, right? So this is the wealth formula. Wealth formula के लिए हम simply क्या करेंगे? I want to find out the future value. So equal to FA, right? Future value, bracket open. Now just imagine you invested in stock markets, ठीक है? तो if you're investing for the longer run, you will get a return of 15%. And again, मैं return कम ले रहा हूँ, right? But still you get a return of 15% to give you a very modest view ले रहा हूँ मैं, ठीक है? 15%, comma, time I'm taking 30 years. Let's assume that person he takes that amount because it's extra profit. तो 30 साल के लिए markets में डाल दिया हर साल, right? PMT will be minus, what is that amount, specific amount, 20,600 minus 20,600, right? And I close the bracket. You know what is the return he will get after 30 years? Guess करो. नहीं तुम guess करो. If he gives the extra profit, I suggested him, and he'll get extra profit of 20,600, and if he invests that extra profit in stock markets for the next coming 30 years, how much will he get? 89,55,000. 89,55,000. ये है, इतना सिंपल है. And if you want to know more about this, if you want to know, Harsh, how do you do the Excel formula? Harsh, how do you calculate the wealth formula? Again, please be sure stock markets में मैंने beginner session दिया था जो आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा और मैं suggested videos में छोड़ दूंगा. Please be sure to watch it. वो 2 घंटे का session. If you think what I've explained to you right now is easy, that is even simpler. And that is essential for you to understand this wealth formula and to get started in stock markets. अब देख रहे हो markets में investment कितनी powerful होती है, कितनी powerful हो सकती है. Now coming back to the situation. अब आप मुझे बताओ, what would you advise him? मैं सबसे पहली साइड में आ रहा हूँ, ठीक? What would you advise him? Would you advise him? Let me just come to this slide. Yes. What would you advise him? Would you advise him to continue at this? और जो मैंने आपको बताया वो आप समझ रहे हो? The power of compounding of interest, either it works for you or against you. अगर वो आपके साथ काम कर रहा है, it will make you one of the richest men in the world. If it's working against you, it will destroy you. इसलिए now the gentleman talking about जो मेरा student है ये, he is earning about 2 lakhs a month. So he's not poor, he's around 29-30 के around है. So he is not struggling for funds by any means. But just imagine if he did not use this, if he did not use this technique, and if he would have continued on this, then how could he have traveled from middle class to rich? The middle class mentality ये होती है. Rich people always make sure that the power of compounding of interest is working for them. So a lot of people come to me and they'll ask me, Harsh, I have a personal loan, and because I don't know now whatever situation they took a loan in, one situation was that one person was paying a loan at 18% and he was investing in stock markets. You know what I told him? Sir, markets छोड़ दो, stock market is not for you. First clear the 18% loan. Because if you don't clear it in stock markets, I'm assuming if you're not trained, you'll get about 15%. automatically power of compounding of interest is against you. So calculate the power of compounding of interest. आप समझ रहे हो, आपको समझाना चाह रहा हूँ. It is so simple. And again, I'm telling you, if you're thinking you're too young for this, Harsh, I don't need this, that will be the biggest mistake. This is one mistake people always make. You will see, and again, if you're not handling your finances, तो आप खुद देखना, see your parents' portfolio. Chances are they will be doing the same mistake. And I'm talking about CAs, MBAs, CFAs, all the top level educated people, they do the same mistake. होगा क्या? They would have taken a car loan or a house loan or whatever. और उनके पास एक FD होगी, and that will be a big FD of 60 lakhs, 40 lakhs, 1 crore, whatever. And they will never break that FD. बोलेंगे नहीं यार, FD क्यों नहीं break करेंगे? Safety है, अच्छा है. But अब ये देखो ना यार, ultimately तो आप उस पर ज़्यादा पैसे दे रहे हो. You are paying interest on that money which you already have. Then why are you paying that extra interest? Or again, if you are in this situation, और जो अगर आप जो ऐसे funds manage कर रहे हो अपने, you know what I'm talking about. So please make the corrections as soon as possible. And if you're facing more challenges that Harsh, my situation is more complicated than this. Harsh, I need more help. मुझे mail करो, help करो. I will definitely reach out to you. नीचे comment करो so that everyone can help you out. And if you're someone who's young, who's not facing this, trust me, करना है ना. Ask your parents, ask your relatives, ask your elder brothers. They will be in the same situation because people always do this. They have a big FD on the side and they are taking loans and they are not using that FD. So ultimately the power of compounding of interest is working against them. ये होता है, right? And please, again, for the younger people, if you think this is not for you, that will be your biggest mistake. This ये इतना basic है that it should be taught in the 10th standard itself, but unfortunately हमारा education system ही ऐसा है कि कुछ होता ही नहीं है. So please realize the importance of this. Stock markets comes after this, right? So well, that was it for today. I hope you liked the video, and I would strongly recommend you and urge you to please share this video with your friends so that they can manage their finances better, with your family, with your parents. Because of this, when you share it with them, it will start a discussion. राइट कि अच्छा मैंने ये किया वो क्या, वो डिस्कशन बहुत ज़रूरी है. आई वॉन्ट यू टू गेट इन्वॉल्व विद योर पेरेंट्स फाइनेंसेस. आई वॉन्ट यू टू माई फ्रेंड, इफ यू आर ऑलरेडी अर्निंग, इफ यू हैव ऑलरेडी हैव अ बैकग्राउंड, सो प्लीज़ स्टार्ट लुकिंग इनटू इट. डोंट जस्ट इग्नोर थिंग्स कि अच्छा थिंग्स चल रही चलते रहो. प्लीज़ लुक इनटू इट बिकॉज जो विच आई शोड यू जस्ट बाय दिस एग्जाम्पल, द डिफरेंस ऑफ 89 lakhs, it's not a small difference by any means, my friend. Right? So please start taking this seriously. Share this video with people so that everyone can benefit. If you like the content, if you like the entire structure, like दबा देना, we would really appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button, and definitely if you already haven't, please watch the Stock Market for Beginners session. It's a 2-hour session. It's a life-changing session which I will be giving again. Suggested videos में वो आ जाएगा after this video ends. So please watch that. It will give you the right path to start. It will give you the right knowledge to start. And trust me, my friend, will change your life. Thank you so much. This is Goela School of Finance, financially empowered.